Back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be doing the daily 1657, determine if two strings are close. This is a medium question, and this is dealing with strings. So two strings are considered close if you can attain one string from the other using the following operations. Swap any existing two characters. For example, here they swap the B and E and get this. And the second operation is transform every occurrence of one existing character into another existing character, and do the same with the other character. So here, to turn all the A's into B's and all the B's into A's. You can use the operations on either string as many times as you want, and they want you to return if using these operations you can get the same string, get them to equal. So, or close, I guess. So, just like last video where we counted the occurrences of letters, we're going to do the same thing. So, we'll call W1 equals, that would be word 1. And then this time we're going to use a counter method. And this is basically from the collections. And this basically just does the same thing behind the scenes. So, pass in word 1. And then we'll call word 2 equals counter word 2. So, what this will do is it will count the occurrences of each one of the characters for word 1 and 2. And then, so one other thing we need to check is we would do if the set, so this would just get all the unique characters of word 1 doesn't equal set of word 2, right? So just the set of each one, if they don't equal, then we would have to return false, since no matter how many operations you do, you can't get another one. And we're gonna do this early because this will just speed it up. So yep, so now that we do this, now we're gonna look at this right here. So it says transform every occurrence of an existing character into another existing character, right? So occurrence. So we already have the occurrences of each character, right? But now we're gonna get the occurrences of the values of each character. So let's say A occurs 3 times, we would just get 3. So 3 1. There'd be 1 3. So we'll do we'll call it just C equals counter 1 dot values, and then C1, I guess. Call it C1 equal counter word 2 dot values, and then we would just return if these two are equal. Alright, now let's submit it. Okay, and it's pretty fast. I'm going to show you guys another way, just shorter. We would just condense all this. So we would have this condition, and then we'd have just the other one. So we would do return counter word 1, right? So this counts the occurrences, and then we would do another counter. It's just a like quick one-line solution. The values, and then we would just copy this equals, and then we would do word 2, and so this would just be a shorter solution. Let's submit it. Okay, we could make this one line by just having this in this, but okay, yeah, we can make it shorter, but we would just have to put it first. So if and, so if we do an and, then okay, no, we'd have to do equals. I mean, actually this wouldn't be faster, because for and it would have to check this, and then it wouldn't return before I had to check this. Here, I'll show you guys an example. Because it's be probably less than 95. Oh, yeah, but yeah, I guess it does work. And then the complexity of this would be word 1 plus word 2 as the time, and word 1 plus word 2 as the space. And that's about it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to come back tomorrow for the solution for tomorrow's Leetcode challenge.